Hey everybody, Justin Cener here. Got a really interesting video for you today, and this actually took place in my free mastermind group on Facebook. And if you're not a part of it, make sure you search out this group that's on your screen, Cener eCommerce Mastermind. It's totally free. There's over 41,000 people in it that just all love e-commerce and Shopify, and it's a really great community. Anyway, almost every Sunday we do something kind of fun inside the group, Sunday Fun Day. We do something like either an Ask Me Anything or a store review videos, or just like kind of small things that get people engaged. And this past weekend I did something new where I went over the most popular shirts in any niche. So this was kind of the thing that we did, and I wanted to share it with everyone in this video, just so you could all kind of see some of the really interesting designs that I found. And I used definitely a bunch of different tools, and also my own personal experience. I've been in this space for over 5 years. So I have a really good idea of kind of what the biggest sellers are. But the idea of me doing this is really just kind of showing people at all different levels the types of shirts and the types of messages on the shirts that really have resonated with each niche. And if you want to use the same tool that I use, predominantly I use T-Spy. So you can check it out, http://tspy.justincener.com. You see the link up here. So I'm just going to kind of go through it, and in most cases I show a shirt and the amount sold. In some cases just the shirt, and let's just jump into it. So again, I really just asked everyone to kind of post their niche. Right? You want to know the most successful print-on-demand product in any niche? Post a comment with any niche that you want. Again, this is my free group, so you should definitely make sure you're in this. This is just one of the Sunday Fun Day things that we did, and really, like I said, I'm just going to go through it, see how it works. Someone posted a comment, dog. I go and research the most popular shirt sold. So with that being said, let's just jump right into it. I'm going to scroll through all these. So a lot of different niches there, a lot of popular shirts. I hope you gained some knowledge about that. Really take a look at the text and the styles and definitely the numbers of shirts that sold to give you a kind of good idea what to do, what niche to pick, and what shirts to sell in your niche. And again, if you want to use that tool that I used to find this, just check it out. You see the link on the screen here, tspy.justincener.com. You can take a look at the video I got on there, and I walk you through how to use that. So again, hope this was helpful. Launch those print-on-demand products, and I'll talk to you real soon.